In this video, I will show you how to do text-to-speech on CapCut. So first import the footage onto the timeline and come up to text and then drag and drop the text box onto the timeline as well. You can place it anywhere you want. And for this example, I'll just place it all the way to the front of the clip and click the text box, come up here and enter the text. And after you're done entering the text, come up here and click on text to speech. And here you will see many different voices that you can pick from. And I will choose a few of them just so you could have a listen to them.
This is how to do text to speech.
This is how to do text to speech.
This is how to do text to speech.
Okay, so that's how it sounds like. And let's go with this one. And when you finish picking the voice that you want, come down here and click start reading. And then when it finishes, you'll see the audio file on your timeline right here. And we'll expand the clip. And as you can see, the audio file and then the text file does not match. So what we can do is come up here to the text file and just shorten it so the text file matches the audio. And if you choose not to want the text, you can actually come up here to the text, right click, delete it, and this will be just with the audio.